Two. No, it's in slur. Dee-da-da-dum. Down bow here. Down bow. Okay, that'll work. You're off on the bowing. This is an up bow. No, all one bow. Da-da-da-dum. No, 2, 4, 5. Good. So let's go on from here, right here. I know you didn't practice it. We're going to practice it now. Go. F sharp. But it's with the 3. Then shift. Shift D. Slide. D natural. Play your 2 with open D. Good. Good. D. Yeah, gotta do. Let's go slowly. D. Higher. By. Higher. See, higher. That's too high. Play your D with the open D. Play the second finger with open D. Now you're at C sharp right next to it. There it is. Harmonic A. Now 4, 3, 1. Now back up to 3. Just like that. Still C sharp. Higher F sharp. Ba, ya. That's too high. Da, ya. Da, 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 da. Now shift. Extend. So, just there. And it's all here. All in position. Shift. Shift. Then back like you just did. Here it's shift extended. Okay, so let's go ahead and see if we can get through this. So let's go from right here. F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. Now shift. No. So we're right here. You're gonna go ya, like C sharp, ya, 2, 4, 2, 1, shift. Now extend. Now B natural. Okay, the B natural is a whole step above the A. So if you put your second finger on A harmonic, second finger on A harmonic. Now a whole step. Da, down to E. Work with this. 1, 3, 4, 3, 1, 3. Now harmonic A. Lift your elbow. It's right there. But 3, 3, 3, 3. Now press it down. Vibrate. E. Same thing again. 1, 3, 4, 3. Now B. A. E. Same thing. Now thumb on. You put your thumb. Good. When you play thumb position, you cover 2 strings. Okay, so play A. Now 3. Okay, so just for fun, you now have to practice scales in thumb position. Okay, so you're gonna put your thumb on D, and play E, F sharp, try it. D, play D. Play D. D. Thumb, D. Now play the first with first. Now one. Get your cello, hand off the cello. Good. So this note, ba dee 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 dum ba, it's just the 3 there. Da dum. Okay, let's go from here. 3, 4. Now thumb on A. Now 3, A, 1, 2, full step, half step, 1, 3, solid, non-harmonic. Okay, in thumb position, it will serve you well, as in other positions, to keep your fingers down. So keep the 1 note. Then you're muted back to first position. Okay, so you can do the rest of that out because it's all in first position. Now, you must play proper fingering, proper rhythm, and correct bowings. So don't be doing up bow when it should be down bow. If you have to, you can go through and figure it all out. This is always going to start down bow. This is going to start up bow at the frog. Okay, so this will be a down bow. This will be a down bow, obviously. This will be an up bow. This will be an up bow. This will be a down bow. And this will be down bow. Okay. This will be down bow. Up bow. Take some of these back. Hey, this is down bow. Don't worry about this. Let's do yada da 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 yada dee da. Stop playing the clock. Da da dee yada da 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 yada dee da da da. Yeah, that's good. Sorry, that was an up bow. Da da dee da da yada dee yada. Good. Play from here. Strike 1. Okay, so play the harmonic A. Exactly halfway between. Higher. Good. Yes. So you have to feel here. Boom. Good. And don't pick your finger up, okay? So the deal is, the reason being is once you get the harmonic going, it has a certain vibration in the string, so it is cutting off the big string. But if you pick your finger up, it goes back to the fundamental. You hear what I'm saying? So if you leave your finger on it, and you can hear the slide, it'll help you find the pitch. Okay, so don't pick your finger up. Okay, this is very good. Okay, so now what I want you to work on now is the spiccato. Okay, did we talk about it a little bit? So I want you to practice it. So you're going to start practicing spiccato now because I don't think we've actually talked about it. Okay, so this is what I would recommend you play for your audition for DYO.
Okay.
So from then all the so it shows a lot of different rhythms, a lot of different bowing techniques. You got spiccato, you got on the string, you got some thumb position work, shows your scope of the instrument. Okay, it's great. So you need to work over this section incredibly carefully. You need to go back to the fundamentals on this and practice it. And get that, the reflex is a little sharper, okay? So you're not playing the triplet thing, okay? Okay, so once you start playing this, we talked about this a little bit. You practice the spiccato this way, just to kind of feel the bow do its thing, okay? And then you gradually add just a little bit of motion with the arm. As you go faster, you get closer to the string, and you can practice these in duples or triplets. You go. The difference is that when you practice multiples on each, you don't have to get the fingerings as quickly. So it gives your brain a little time to focus on the spiccato. No yawning. Okay, so try it for just a second. So I want you to practice just on an open D string for me. Just go bum, 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 bum. But you're going to do it right about the middle of the bow. Good. Now add a little motion. Bum, 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 bum. Your up bows are louder than your down bows. They all need to sound exactly the same. Good. Here's where your bow grip's going to start to eat you alive, okay? So a little more on the outside with the thumb. This has to be somewhat elastic, okay? To let the bow, so it's not, you don't stiffen up when you play spiccato, you actually get loose. That's nice. Do you see how the bow, so each speed of the spiccato has a certain spot in the bow where it'll feel like the bow's doing most of the work. Okay, it has to do with the balance, how much weight is at the tip. So obviously the farther you move out towards the tip, the less weight there is. When you're going faster, you actually move farther out the bow. When you're going slower, you move towards the frog. Okay, so you need to practice this at different speeds. So you're going to practice, and if I get lower in the bow, hear how the spiccato's a little heavier? You get, I mean, almost poking a knife. It's hard to do math like that. The one-eyed mathematician. Okay. As you get close to the frog, though, it becomes more of an arm stroke. So watch here. As I'm out here, you see it's not much arm involved. As I get lower and louder, the arm gets heavier until it's all. See, my wrist is doing nothing now. So that's the, but if I'm, so then by the other stretch if I'm going faster.